Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. As we're moving into the fall season, you bet I'll be doing more videos on leather jackets, wax jackets, boots, unboxing, and reviews. Today we are doing a full 5-year review on Thursday's Arizona Adobe Captain boot. Be sure to watch the very end of this video as I'll be putting these boots on feet to show you what they really look like. Before we dive into this video, if you guys aren't subscribed, I really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's just one click and I would really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First off, let's talk about the style. The Captains. I absolutely love the style of this boot. I love the silhouette. It is just so versatile. I love the cap toe up here. It is just nicely done. Everything about this style, I absolutely love it. And it's such a perfect combination with the Arizona Adobe, the rugged and resilience color of this leather. This nice brown is so versatile with the style. It's so easy to wear with blue jeans, black jeans. You can wear them with khakis. You can dress them up. You can wear them casually. It is such a versatile boot. And that's why this was my very first Thursday boot. And I think a lot of people watching here may be wanting to buy this pair of boot as their first Thursday boot. So I gotta say, this is a very versatile style. Look at the silhouette. It just looks really nice. I also really like the lace-up styles here. It really keeps your feet nice and secure. Another great thing about this boot is there is no break-in period required. When you get them from day one, right out of the box, your feet feel really comfortable in them. But it's also really true what they say about leatherwear. It gets more comfortable the more you wear them. So talking about the leather now, after wearing them for 5 years, there are definitely some scars, definitely some scratches, some patina, some battle wounds, but that's part of the style. That's part of the story of the boots. There's more characteristics to them the more you wear them. They look a little bit more worn. There's a little bit more personality to them. So I really like that worn look of the leather. It tells a much deeper story to them. So you can see there's definitely some creasing up here by the toes, a lot of scratches, and even some nice patina around here on the tongue. This is a rugged and resilience line of leather, so it is a little bit more durable. But overall, the leather is still holding up really well. Even though there are some scars along with them, there are a lot more life to these boots. Even though I've been wearing them for 5 years, like I said, they are still holding up really well. This is the rugged and resilience in Arizona Adobe color. And if you don't like this color, the great thing about Thursday is there are so many different colors. You are bound to find one you like. There are other styles as well, such as Chelsea boots or President boots. If this right here is not the boot that you like, if the style's not for you, there are so many other styles and colors that you are bound to find one that you like. Next off, let's talk about the 360-degree Goodyear welt. Not a whole lot of boots have a 360-degree Goodyear welt, and that creates a good seal on the boot. So you can wear these boots into puddles, and in the rain, your socks won't get wet. That's another great thing I love about these boots. To find boots that have Goodyear welt construction, they are gonna cost a lot more. However, these boots have a 360-degree Goodyear welt, and they are very reasonably priced. Next off, moving on to the soles, you can see after cleaning, these soles still look very nice and fresh. These are rubber studded outsoles to give you a nice grip as you're walking. You're not gonna lose your grip. So these are still holding up really well. I really like how durable this pair of boots is. After 5 years, you can definitely tell there is wear to them, but there is still a lot of life in these. Next off, the Kevlar blended laces. These are very durable laces to keep your boots nice and secure when you are wearing them. One thing to know is with these lace-up boots, it does take a little bit of time to unlace them, make it loose, put your feet in, and then lace them back, tighten it up. It does take a little bit of time to put these shoes on your feet. Unlike Chelsea boots, they are so much more convenient. You can put Chelsea boots on 10 seconds, 15 seconds. These might take 1.5 to 2 minutes to put both of these pair on your feet. But once they are on your feet, they are nice and secure. These laces are very nice and sturdy, so they don't come undone really easily. They also have these speed hooks here, which makes tying these boots a lot easier. Next off, let's talk about sizing. Sizing is a huge thing for when you are buying products online. You can't physically go into store to try them out to see whether they fit well or not, or they're gonna be too big or too small. Because if you went to a physical store right then and there, you could tell exactly what size to get. However, it's a little trickier to buy boots online. But for me, I personally go half a size down. I wear around a 9 to 9.5 for my Nike and Adidas running shoes. So these shoes right here, they are 8.5. 8.5, they fit me really nice and snug. There's not a whole lot of room for movement. They fit me really well. So if you're looking for sizing, I would suggest to go half a size down. However, if you're gonna wear really thick socks that are gonna need a little bit more room, maybe go true to size. Last but not least, one of my favorite things about Thursday boots is the price. They are known to have high quality products at a very reasonable price. It's hard to find a pair of boots that look this good with this style, that has a 360-degree Goodyear welt, high quality leather, all for under $200. This Arizona Adobe Captain boot comes in at $199, which is a very good price. So for everyone watching out there, wondering or not you should get Thursday boots, let me tell you right now, go ahead and buy them. You will not regret it. Like I said, right out of the box, they are gonna fit you really well, really nice and comfortably, but even the more you wear them, they are gonna look better with age. So if you are still wondering whether or not to purchase these Captain boots, let me tell you, go ahead and buy them. You are not gonna regret them. That's gonna be my quick 5-year review on these Arizona Adobe Captain boots. They have served me really well. As I said earlier, let's go ahead, go outside, put these boots on feet to show you guys what they really look like. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-feet look of Thursday's Arizona Adobe Captain boot. Like I said, these are so versatile. I love wearing them. I love how comfortable they are. Even 5 years later, they are still very comfortable, and they really do look better with age and fit better with age as well. So this is definitely one of my favorite Thursday boots. I definitely love the style, how easy it is to dress up. You saw me earlier wearing jeans with these, and they really do look pretty awesome. But that's gonna be it for my 5-year review. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite Thursday boot and which Thursday boot I should make a video on next. If you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's just one click, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, bye.